If you have a kid who loves space, this GeoSafari motorized solar system is such a fun and engaging way to bring astronomy to life. My son is obsessed with the planets, and watching them actually orbit around the sun made this instantly exciting for him. The model includes all 8 planets and uses a motorized base so kids can see how the solar system really moves. It's hands-on, interactive, and perfect for kids who already know their planets and want to see them in action. But it's also great for kids who are still learning and curious about space. One of our favorite features is the light-up option. You can switch between the sun dome and the star dome to project constellations onto the wall or ceiling, which makes it especially fun at night. It even works as a gentle nightlight with an auto shut-off, so it's great for bedrooms too. This set comes with a sturdy base, swappable domes, and a full-color guide packed with fun facts about the planets and constellations. It's educational and perfect for homeschool lessons, and it makes a great gift for kids who love STEM learning, science, and space exploration.